Hi, my name is Navdeep Singh, and I just go my topic. First, I have to go through Federation University homepage, and I have to go to library, and I have to find out my topic in different databases. First, I have to go database options and select Alexander State Process database. Now I have paste my topic in the search bar. Nope, there is zero result for that topic. So I have to go back and select another database. I have to go to databases and I have select Willy Online Library, search, and I have to paste my topic. Now there is zero result for that topic in that database. Again I have to go back and select another database. So now I have to go science right. I have paste my topic here and go through search. Yes, the topic is available here. So now I have to export citation to RIS and downloaded it. Yes, it will be downloaded. We have to open that RIS file into endnote. Cancel that option. Yes, the citation is here. So now I have to open a new Word file and go to endnote, and then we have to go to insert citation, insert selected citation. Yes, that's the citation, and then we have to select APA standard citation. I have to download PDF. Oh, there will be some error. So I have opened that one, and the abstract is here. So the topic is about cloud computing, that how it will be make easy for big organization, because they have to reduce investment in huge database servers, hard disks, data storage devices, and big infrastructure. We can easily buy the online storage. There are plenty of them like Dropbox, Google Drive, and many more. So I have to go EndNote and selected this one. This is all about author Saurabh Singh, James Young Sikpog, and the publication is 2016. Title: Journal. Volume pages, and the abstract is there. Thank you very much.